Hey guys, um, I'm sure a lot of you guys remember Billy. I'm not gonna say little Billy because he's not little Billy anymore, but he's got a YouTube channel and he's been making repair videos and he's doing a really good job. This is his channel. I don't think you can get to it by just putting in Wild Bill. You have to put in that -S5b to get to his channel. At least that's what I had to do. But he's made a few shorts and he's doing repair videos on four-wheelers and pickup trucks and everything else, lawnmowers. They do a lot of lawnmower repairs. So check it out, guys. Subscribe to Billy and let's help get his channel going. He's gonna be 17 in a few days, and I'd like to see him get a good channel going. Thanks for watching. Love you. Bye.